to, I don't know what, do something.
Okay, a few seconds.
Yeah.
I didn't. I feel so bad now. I also want to steal a sign. You know, let's steal a hippo sign. And I don't know how to get it out of the country. Maybe you can ship it to me. I have to take a really badass photo of myself in South Africa also.
Really badass.
He tells me I'm his prophet, so I know what you should do.
Yeah, like that is bullshit.
Yeah.
Like, this is what government promised they would build for everyone, but they still don't have it.
Like little boulders. And they're like yellow. Puppy! This is Kruger Park soon. Sort of.
I don't know what, do something.
So this is our place to stay for 2 nights. And we are exploring Kruger Park. Hello. And mosquito nets. You want to see the baboons?
Because I've seen so many baboons already.
Not excited by baboons. Which animals will excite you instead?
The ones that try and eat us.
Oh, the predator style ones.
Predators.
Yeah.
You can quickly move the camera into the little thank you.
We're currently in a little tourist haven just outside of Kruger. Wow, look at that, these birds!
Those are called fisante.
Oh, it's a pheasant?
Yeah. The English word is
I don't know, but I know what they are. In Swedish we call them pheasant.
Yeah, so small little.
You eat them, right?
No, we don't eat them.
Oh, you don't eat them?
No, but like, well, wild animals will catch them and eat them.
Some other person will eat them.
But we don't. I don't know. Maybe.
They're kind of beautiful in a weird way, though, aren't they? Let's take a photo. Animal number 1. See where it is? I see it just behind.
Yeah, I see it there, but I can't quite tell what it is from there.
I can't either. Oh, it's a big. Oh, it's a big antelope. Oh, it's 2 of them.
Oh, it's kudus.
Oh, it's kudus.
These are kudus, yeah.
Oh, they're delicious.
they definitely are delicious. And yeah, this one's standing here. Right here too. Yeah. See, they came out quite well with the shrubbery.
Oh, I didn't even see that one.
Yeah. And I saw warthog run across at the front.
Oh, they're so cool.
I'm actually glad I chose this place and not here.
We haven't even gotten into the park yet.
No. Well, I mean, this kind of counts as part of the park.
Yeah.
Like, it's not technically in it, but
It's
still
still
there's
like,
no border
yeah.
between them, so the animals will come in. Yeah. This is also a small mini park. It's just not part of the Kruger Park.
Yeah, it's not part of the reserve, but it's still not.
It's still a reserve, but it's not part of